This is the Kooyong 28 and it is from the Wooden Boatshop. That's right, this is a wooden boat, but you might think of wooden boats being high maintenance. This definitely is not. I'll explain to you why that is not the case, but this is something very, very special. Built to be simple to use, beautiful, a classic, modern day classic, simple. There's so much to talk to you about this, and there's so much to like about this. This is not what you see at every boat show. So let's jump on board and have a good look through this beautiful 28 Kooyong wooden boat. It's built to be simple to use. The Wooden Boat Shop people have really emphasised that, you know, this is a low maintenance boat, and you might not expect that to be the case with wooden boats. Typically you'd expect a lot of maintenance, and whilst you will need to look after the raw timber like these cap rails, the hull, which is wood, also has been sheathed in polyurethane, so it really has the maintenance of a boat that you'd expect. You know, it's basically built out of plastic and fiberglass, so it really does not have the maintenance that you would become, I suppose, used to people talking about with wooden boats. So not only is it beautiful, not only is it elegant, but it's going to be a boat that's not going to give you a lot of hassles. I came on board through the open transom either side of the outboards, but we've got this really nice socialising space just here underneath this hard top, a beautiful solid teak table. Now you can obviously bring in some director chairs there to make this bigger dining space. The helm chair moves backwards, and so you can be forward facing. It's a really the perfect day boat, I guess, for 4, 5 or 6 people. But isn't that a lovely space to be in? These cap rails are African teak, as is the deck underneath me, which feels absolutely beautiful. But I think the thing which is so noticeable about this boat is its simplicity. There's not a lot to go wrong. In talking to the guys from the Wooden Boat Shop, they emphasise that this is a boat that you can buy and just enjoy. It's not an overly complicated boat. You can see here at the helm we've got the engine controls for the 2 outboards, steering wheel, engine controls there, but it isn't a boat that's going to give you a lot of headaches. And for people that want, you know, simple boating, this is what you get. Another thing to mention about this boat is it's got a very, very shallow draft. In fact, it's less than 2 feet, or it's less than a foot, I think, or even just over a foot, which means you can pull this up into a bay or pull it up next to a beach, get people on and off, and not run into any trouble. Isn't that fantastic? We've got this really nice little lounging spot here, and this little seating spot here, and this would be a nice spot to come and put your feet up and enjoy proceedings as we're moving forward. We've got one of the guys' bags are in front of me, but this feels very, very nice. How beautiful does that look if you're heading out and you're looking over that, the anchor system there, that's stainless against this beautiful African teak. Doesn't that just look the business, doesn't it? Really is quite beautiful. Let's spin back around and move back this way. There is a little bit more to show you. If we duck down here, what we'll find is we've got the day head. And again, beautifully simple, not overly complicated. We've got the toilet there. We've got a nice simple basin to wash your hands there. And if I spin around like this, you can see that beautiful teak that's been used throughout the boat, that's been continued on down here. So practical, simple, convenient. That's the name of the game with this Kooyong 28. Step out of here and move back again and just talk a little bit about performance. Something to note is it's actually much lighter than you'd think. For the equivalent size fiberglass boat, we're about a third lighter, and that actually does have relevant significance, because it means to push this along you need less power, which means you use less fuel, which means it's more efficient. And so we're running a pair of Yamaha 115 horsepower engines. You might think, geez, that's a little bit light on for a 28-foot boat, but you will comfortably cruise along in the mid 20 knots with that, and you can definitely push up over 30 knots into the mid 30s, but the boat's not really built for that. It's not really built for that, and that means that you've got a really efficient boat as well as a beautiful boat, as well as a... I think the Wooden Boat Company have hit on a winning formula here with the low maintenance aspects for the owner, but also the use of wooden in the construction. There's beautiful African teak accents and cap rails. It really is something very special. Shallow draft, low maintenance, simple, beautiful boating. What more could you want? So all of the details about the Kooyong 28 are going to be in the description. And if you like this video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to We Love Boating, what are you doing? We do great videos like this every week. Subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. That way YouTube knows that you love these videos, and that'll help our channel grow, and that'll also help me get access to some great boats. But let's jump off there, and I'll see you next week on another video. Bye for now.